feed my fish some snacks. And I didn't really take some pretty pictures, but yes, I already gave him some snacks. He ate it. I just kind of changed the water because it was very dirty. Ma, can I feed my fish dinner now?
Papatayin mo yung fish mo
Okay.
Bakit nga lang mo?
Okay. This video is gonna be long, like 14. Di bakit mo na hindi maghihipon? Bakit mo na hindi ikaw maghihipon ng pera?
Oo. Dapat mahal na nga dyan. Mga kebay ta niya. Mga kebay ta ka niya na malalaki.
Hold on. Guys, where are my guests? Hi, I'm back. Let me see. Ew. You can see the inside. Ew. That is permanently disgusting. Well, when I started recording some videos, I did not actually get a fish. But before was empty, right? Now was actually a fish. This is actually my first time. I saw my ate's fish, banana. But his real name is Cupcake. Yeah, his real name is Cupcake. Yeah. Yep. His name is Cupcake. And mine is Cookie Monster. Because he is a boy. CR? Anong CR? Toothpaste. Give me 5 laro ng mga batang high quarter timeless one.
Namang tricycle. Ini magbandagin. Ini magbandagin kaya pakot na magtigay.
May new winner alert na yun is the zone of minor prize na 5,000 pesos. So, Bonamine, happy family trip. Congratulations, Kai!
Thank you, I miss you.
Thank you very much sa maraming energy namin sa biyahe. Dahil walang ganito, hindi ba namin ng mga ganito kagandang panawin sa biyahe. Dahil
Ito ugoy-ugoy niya. Ala, waring yan. Sinangit, makareta.
I think I just hurt myself. Now I'm just gonna go back to watching Homes. Bye!